A bathtub in the master bedroom.
This is the question. All the people come and say, why a bathtub? It's facing directly to the valley. You haven't got anything blocking the views. The location is amazing because later you have done swimming pool, the gym, the co-working, all the amenities very nearly. You can go to Malaga Center, to the airport, to Benalmádena, to Torremolinos. The other point is that in 7 minutes without hills, you can go walking to the beach.
Which unit would you say is the most attractive now? That's the best, the most interesting part of the podcast.
I recommend it to you. A property that's now in the market. We have an offer available until the final of May.
Hello everyone, greeting from the Costa del Sol. This is Santiago Llera, and today I have the pleasure to have again Alberto from Iconia.
You're welcome, friend.
Thank you, Alberto, for coming back to me. I wanted to shoot a specific video about this new development called Korall. It's 28 townhouses in the Higueron area, and it's called like the little sister, you call it, of Kos. And we shooted another video on my channel about Kos, which is like the bigger brother of Korall. And this specific new development, I find it very interesting. I didn't know much about it, but recently I came for a presentation with a client and I discovered that it has a lot of advantages. We will talk about it later. Later also we will give it a visit to the construction side because it's very advanced and it's very spacious. I love the space, I love the size, and mainly, Alberto, I have to be honest, I like the prices.
Yeah, the prices is the best, no?
Yeah, little sister, we play a little bit. There are a lot of little interesting details about that project. We will talk about it. But let's start from outside to the inside. Let's start talking about the plot. Where is it located within the area? Here, I love this picture. I think you can see it very well in the brochure. Where is the plot located? What can you say about the plot and the location?
It's the same location that Kos, because Kos is in the other side to the road. Then the location for me is a premium location. Why? Because in 5 minutes walking, you have the Carvajal train station and you have the public transport. You can go to Malaga Center, to the airport, to Benalmádena, to Torremolinos. 30 minutes you are in the airport, very, very near. And the other point is that in 7 minutes you can go walking without hills, walking to the beach.
To the Fuengirola beach and Fuengirola promenade.
Yes.
Yeah, location-wise is a big plus to be so close to the beach. Really close. That's 100% true. And the orientation of the plot is what I didn't get in the beginning. What's the orientation of the townhouses? Is that
southwest? You have the sun in the afternoon. At 11 o'clock, the sun is facing to the project. And this is amazing because you have all the sun in the final of the day facing to your home. Later is facing to a natural valley too. You haven't got anything in the future blocking the views.
It's open, basically.
Yeah, it's open views.
And there is a pretty big distance from the terrace of the townhouses to the next building. How much is the distance from this townhouse to the buildings in front? 500
meters.
It's 500 meters, so it's very distant. And
anything is facing to the project. That the privacy is very, very nice because anything is facing to your home.
Got it. Let's talk a little bit about the amenities, all the communal facilities. What is in the community? Because 28 houses is not much. What is the developer going to put inside the gated community?
The project is exclusive because that is a point that we have only 28 units. In the community, we have big swimming pool, common big swimming pool that you have in front in the level 2. Later, you have a gym and a co-working area. The gym and the co-working area is in the same level that the common swimming pool, and it's facing to the green area.
You can work out and then jump on a pool. I like that. I really love it because this is a very healthy lifestyle that the whole area is always promoting. It's always inviting to work out, to go hiking, to go to have a walk by the promenade, and you can do that also in your own community, 100%. So it's a little community, but still you have enough stuff, which is the must, right? You have a communal pool, you have a gym, and a co-working. That's great. Let's talk about the best part now, which is the interior of the properties. I have a floor plan now of one of the units, and what I see this is a 2-story house, right?
Exactly. In the first floor, you have in the ground floor the entrance that's going directly to a bathroom, a laundry room with a wardrobe for jackets, shoes, something, with access to 48 square meters in the living room kitchen, with access directly to the garden.
I would like to visit that inside to check that spaces, because I believe this is one of the best key selling points of this project. 48 square meters plus 3 square meters hall is more than 50 square meters living space with the open plan kitchen. That's really cool. And what about this kitchen island? Is it with the table integrated? Is it the same like?
It's more same the Coast Island. Then you have more or less the same quality here in the kitchen. It's a nice table because you can take a breakfast, something like while all the rest of the people is in the kitchen cooking something.
This concept is very popular, this open plan kitchen in the real estate nowadays. We call it American kitchen. But the fact you have a kitchen island give you the chance to save the space for a big dining table. Because we have a very nice weather in Spain, and we basically eat a lot outdoors, especially with the property with such a big terrace. Most of the time, the dining table, you have it in the terrace, and the daily breakfast or eating is mainly in the kitchen island.
Think about that, Santiago, because in the living room you have a lot of space. You can put all the big table here in all the space.
Yeah, it's plenty of space.
We have the sofa here in the floor plan that is more than 16 square meters. It's too much. You don't need a big sofa for that. You have the space.
But especially clients who come from the US, from Canada, where properties are so spacious. This is probably could be one of the most interesting price per square meter. I see that clearly. What about this side here? You mentioned this is a laundry room.
The laundry room, yeah.
The laundry room has appliances included. Do you get a washing machine included in the price? No? Is that not included? No, that's fine. But you get the aerothermia then?
Aerothermic system, yeah. All the bathroom is included too.
The whole kitchen and the whole bathroom plus the AC, air conditioning, all that clear method. Yeah. That's brilliant. What about the upstairs? What do you have in the...
I want to explain to you something about this part, because it's very important that you know that in this floor you have all the things that you need. If you have the family come, friends come, you have the bathroom with access to the garden, and you don't need use the other first floor because the
you don't need to go upstairs.
Exactly.
If you make like
you have more privacy in the first floor with all the bedroom, and you can use it the ground floor with the friend, family.
Well, if you invite people for a visit,
the guests
they don't need to go upstairs.
Exactly.
Got it. In the master bedroom is one of the biggest selling points of this project. I see just this space is 20 square meters.
20 square meters.
Plus, you have another 6.3 square meters of a bathroom and suite with this sliding doors like in Costa.
It's pretty similar than the Costa. And the spaces is very
exactly
similar
the same.
too.
Looks exactly the same with the closet and everything. And is it the bathtub included?
Bathtub included.
Yeah. A bathtub in the master bedroom.
This is the question. All the people come and say, why a bathtub? But later, all the clients for the north of Europe, they like it. Yeah.
Good. I never tried.
Depends on the client.
So, it's a matter of culture and a matter of...
It's like the hotel.
But if they don't want it, they can remove it.
Yeah, they can remove it.
Because, for example, I would prefer to have a desk in my master bedroom.
Yeah, it's possible
instead of having a bathtub. and I would put a private pool in a garden. Is it allowed to put a private pool in a garden?
Yeah, it's possible. You have the possibility that put a private swimming pool in the garden. Depend on the garden that you have. We have different sizes in the swimming pool to put in the garden. If you compare with the apartment in the area, we have 130 square meter useful inside. It's too much. Later, the prices is very similar than the rest of the apartment that we have in the area. No, it's too much.
Can we exchange the bathtub for the washing machine?
We can say.
We can talk about it. Yes,
We can talk about it.
that's funny though.
All is possible. All is possible.
All right. Right now, I know that you have a couple of units in the interesting price. Which unit would you say is the most attractive now? That's the best, the most interesting part of the podcast. Let's talk about prices.
I recommend it to you now. A property that's now in the market. We have an offer available until the final of this month, May. The price is 795. The unit is in the level 2. It's facing directly to the valley. You haven't got anything blocking the views in front. It's a unit with open views, green views. The location is amazing because later you have down the swimming pool, the gym, the coworking, all the amenities very nearly. The price is very nice opportunity. If you compare
795,000. I calculated the price per square meter. We are
building or useful.
Built. I work with built.
Yeah.
This is the space you have, right?
Yeah.
And at the end, especially in a project like this, that you have everything open, plan,
Exactly.
it doesn't really matter. But I work with built. Most of the clients from abroad. In Spain, we have a different
between that.
We work with 2 different square meters in properties legally, and we work with square meters built and square meters useful. For those guys that don't understand that, useful is the places where you can walk. Okay, so you have to remove the square meters which are dedicated to the closets, to the kitchen island, and all that size. But at the end of the day, I mentioned that for the people to really understand what's the real size of an apartment, I decided to work with square meters built, because in other countries nobody talk about useful square meters. They don't even know what it is. So square meters built, we are talking about 5,000 euros per square meter. This is the average price in Korall. It's a pretty good price, to be honest.
Very good price.
It's a very good price per square meter. Normally, the average price per square meter on the Costa del Sol is 4,000 euros per square meter. We are in the 5,000 in a premium location.
Premium location.
And we are talking about premium developer as well. So from my perspective, these units are very attractive. But let's talk about the views here. I know that the views is not that good as the other plot of course, for example, which is more elevated.
We have in the level 5 and the level 6, we have open views and sea views, panoramic sea views in this level. The prices is more higher.
Of course.
Saying of the rest of the project. But if you go to this unit, 2.4, we can have a unit with an open view to the valley. The most important in Korall is that you have open and green view. That for me,
that is something that I would like to check exactly which kind of views.
We can check that.
Let's visit the construction site and see. Let's check that about the views, because I know that in that specific plot, even when you have within buildings, you have some views to the sea, and that's also nice. And at the end of the day, you have the mountain views as well. As long as you don't have anything in front of you, the views should be fine, especially in a project like this. And these specific townhouses are designed for people which are willing to live here. Is that right?
Yeah. The people depend on the people, but the owner that now are investment here is full live in the project.
I know that you guys have a rental department that completely take care of that.
We have a 5%. Depend that the most famous product that we have now is the mixed with 9 months in long term and 3 months in short term. We have rentability 5% per year.
5% based on the prices if you
Exactly.
rent it long term, basically. You can rent it. But which kind of people buys in Korall? What's the kind of client you have for Korall? Is it an investor or is it people who wants to live there?
Mix, depend. We have clients that won't live in the project. They are looking for the best views, and they going directly to the levels more higher, level 6, level 5. And the people that won't invest in the project going to the level more low, in the level 2, level 1.
Got it.
Because the prices is more low.
Better. I understand.
No problem with that, because later you can check that the project have 6 different levels. Each level is more higher than the other one.
I understand.
You haven't got any block that block the views. This is very important. And you can stay in the level 6. In front you have the level 4, but the level 4 don't block the view.
Yeah, it's built like a stairs.
Exactly.
So any property will block your view, and the next thing you have in front of you is very far away.
Later in the roof, we will have black stone and artificial grass.
Oh, nice. It looks very nice. I love the showroom in Costa that you guys have with all this amazing furniture. It's one of my favorite properties. I also visited the list. It's also from the same developer, completely immaculate. What about the interior design of these townhouses? Are you planning to do something similar? Are you planning to have a showroom for
Yes, we are working now in a show flat, a show home in Korall, in the unit 4.5, in the level 4.
It's right, the one in the corner, right?
In the corner, yeah. It's a unit in the corner that our department in Konya Illusion Arte are working now in the interior designer. We'll be ready in the next time that when you come back with a client for visit the project. I think that will be ready. And you will check the quality that we work with our department, interior designer. The most important is that this interior designer can work with the rest of the client in the project, and can make.
I love that. I love that. It's really a key-ready service. Really, exactly. It's a completely different experience when the client get the keys and these hanging cables versus a completely finished apartment or a townhouse. Like it's beautiful. Like this room where we are standing right now was completely decorated. There is a trend now about Mediterranean style, which is the speciality of your interior designer company. Is very nice.
Yeah.
So I truly recommend that you go with this interior design. I have a specific video with your interior designer, Claudia, on my YouTube channel, and they do an amazing job. Now looking forward to that. All right, thank you, Alberto, for answering all my questions. I'm really looking forward to see the showroom of Korall.
Yeah.
And if you guys are watching this video, probably the showroom is already done. So come for a viewing to check these beautiful townhouses we have under construction here on the Costa del Sol.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye then.
Bye.